In this video, we are going to go over what criteria are and how to formulate effective ones. You have already been briefly introduced to criteria in the first video, unpacking the prompt. But here, we will go over examples and explain why criteria are so important for your writing. So what are criteria? Well, they guide and form your main arguments. Each body paragraph will connect to one of them. The type of thinking here will already have been established from unpacking the prompt video. And finally, they connect to your evidence and help you develop a sound thesis. So let's look at our example of the superhero question. Do superheroes play a positive role in society? It can be really helpful to think of your criteria as if statements. You can think to yourself, I would know that a superhero plays a positive role in society if the following criteria are true. So taking our example, our if statement would be, superheroes have a positive role to play if, in this case, we are looking for criteria for a positive role in society, not criteria for a superhero, which means that if your evidence shows a superhero meeting the criteria, then you can make an inference that superheroes do in fact play a positive role in society. We can also test out our if statement by using this formula. Topic plays a positive role in society if criteria A, they put themselves before others, or criteria B, they have superpowers. To understand if our criteria makes sense and is effective, you can switch out the noun or topic in your if statement. So if we insert our topic, superheroes, do our criteria make sense? A, superheroes play a positive role in society if they put themselves before others. And B, superheroes play a positive role in society if they have superpowers. Both kind of make sense, but I think we can agree that A is most effective. Now, if we change out the topic or noun again with a different topic, we can use teachers as an example. Teachers play a positive role in society if they put themselves before others. And B, teachers play a positive role in society if they have superpowers. While it would be pretty cool if teachers had superpowers, we can agree that it isn't what makes them have a positive role in society. Do you see how criteria A works for both topics, superheroes, and teachers? But criteria B is too specific for superheroes. This is why when formulating our criteria, it is important to make sure we are forming it for the right part of the prompt. In this case, a positive role and not superheroes. Now that we know how to create effective criteria, how do we use them for our papers? You can plan your body paragraphs, so each criteria will act as one argument. This is why you will want to come up with 3 criteria so that each paragraph focuses on one. You can then collect evidence that either supports or rejects the criteria, which then helps develop a strong position, and finally, a sound thesis statement.